You've built the perfect map, set up all the mechanics, and hit the publish button, but your player count is stuck at 0. Sound familiar? A lot of creators think the Discover algorithm is just an unpredictable lottery, but it's not. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate guide to the UEFN algorithm. By the way, you can find the full version of this document with all the details you need on my Discord server. The link is right there in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get thousands of players onto your maps. The foundation of everything is the Snowball Effect. Your goal is to feed the system strong performance data. The Fortnite algorithm looks at three main inputs: retention, how many minutes an average session lasts, CCU, your peak concurrent players, and engagement, the percentage of players who return. If your map shows good results early on, the algorithm gives it more impressions. The takeaway is simple: your first real players and their behavior are absolutely critical. The first 24 hours decide everything. The algorithm tests your map on a small audience in the first few days after launch. You have two paths. If your online numbers and retention grow, your map hits the retention path and gets pushed to sections like gaining traction. But if players leave quickly, impressions drop, and your map disappears from Discover. Don't just wait, push early traffic. Let's bust a major myth. You don't have to spend 30 hours in UEFN just to get promoted. Epic Games is simply filtering out low-quality spam. The reality is that bad FPS kills retention. Players need optimization, a stable 60 frames per second, clean code, and proper memory and lighting management. Prioritize stability over features. On top of that, overly complex ideas will only scare off the casual audience. Familiar formats like Tycoons or Zone Wars, but with your unique twist, work best. A quick gameplay loop and intuitive mechanics hold players much better than a long, confusing learning curve. How do you get a player to actually click on your map? Your thumbnail is your front door. It needs bold, bright colors and minimal text. The screenshot should instantly explain the gameplay. A trailer isn't mandatory, but it heavily increases trust and can significantly boost your discovery clicks, especially for competitive maps. So the player clicked. What's next? You have exactly 3 to 5 seconds to hook them. Your spawn room needs a visual wow effect and clear navigation without text. If a player spawns facing a massive wall of detailed rules, they will just exit. They need to instantly understand how to begin play. Let's talk release strategy. It's usually best to publish late evening on a Friday or Saturday, just before prime time in the US or Europe. This helps you capitalize on the peak morning audience on the weekends. Getting a starting online presence of 20 to 50 players from your socials or Discord will give the algorithm that crucial initial indexing boost. And here is your ultimate cheat code: your own audience. Building a media presence makes the launch infinitely easier. A viral video on TikTok or YouTube Shorts causes a sharp CCU jump. Without it, you have to do things the hard way, relying entirely on random traffic and hoping the algorithm picks you up. To keep that traffic from leaving, you need to build a retention loop. Players in Discover rarely want to figure out confusing mechanics from scratch. Give them a progression system: levels, currency, ranks, or banks. The player needs a clear goal and a reason to earn rewards. Your main job is to make them want to return tomorrow. Publishing is only the beginning. Analyze your statistics and look for drop-off points, the exact moments where players leave the island. Pinpoint and fix those specific issues using A/B testing. Avoid spamming minor patches. Instead, focus on substantial, metric-driven updates that genuinely improve the gameplay loop. To wrap things up, there is no guaranteed secret formula. High-quality visuals, optimization, and traffic are your foundation. They don't buy success, but they drastically increase your chances. Ultimately, everything is decided by player reaction and the algorithm. Sometimes great maps fade while simple ones explode, but in the long run, a systematic approach always wins. Analyze data, adapt, and learn from your failures. The Discover algorithm isn't perfect right now, but Epic Games continues to refine the system. Until then, Don't get discouraged. Focus on what you can control: your skills, your community, and the quality of your maps. By the way, if you want to create the kind of advanced mechanics, UI, and systems you've been seeing in the background, check out my Patreon and Discord. Links are in the description. Keep building, and I'll see you at the top of Discover.